Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS coupons and gift voucher application. It helps you to create and manage the discount coupons, vouchers, and promo codes directly in Odoo POS. You can generate and print the personalized gift vouchers from both POS and backend with the flexible validation option. It is perfect for offering the discounts, promotion, and customer rewards. The database, and now I'm just going to the point of sale module. So here you will find one option for the gift coupons. Below that, you will find the two options, one for the gift coupons and another one for the gift card. I'm selecting first the gift card. So here I have created the gift cards. I'm just going to select the one. So for the first, you just have to click on this list. It is a gift card or not. After that, under the attributes and variants, you can create the different price for the gift cards. And if I'm selecting the variants, so here you can see we have created the gift card for the different amount. And under the point of sale, you just have to choose the category for the same. Now I'm just going with the gift coupons. So if you want to create the new gift coupon, you just have to click on this new icon. And here I'm just going to create the new coupon. And for the same, you have to select the product. And after that, if you want to generate the barcode automatically or manually, you can select, and the issue date will be fetched automatically. And if you want to manage the expiry date, you can also manage. After that, if you want to apply for the fixed percentage or fixed pricing, you can also choose the same. Here I'm just going with the percentage. So after that, you will see it is based on the tax amount or untaxed amount. And here I'm just going to add the coupon amount as 1000. And if you want to add the maximum amount, so you can also add the same. If you want to allow the coupon for the specific category, you can also do the same. You just have to click on this and you can select the category. So for this category only the gift coupon will be applied. And I'm just going to save it. So here you can see the coupon barcode is generated. And now if I'm just want to print the same, I have to click on this print icon. Here you can see our coupon is generated and barcode is reflected here. After that, I'm just going to copy this coupon barcode and going with the dashboard, and here I'm continue the session. So here you can see our product is created, and now I'm just going to select the another products for the same. So here you will find one validation for the same. We first have to select the customer. Now I'm just going to select the customer. So now I'm just going to select the gift card we have created and going to add some products for the same. And now I'm just going to make the payment. So here you can see the gift card is successfully added in our POS order. So this how we can add the gift card to our POS order. Action button. Now I'm just selecting this action button and applying the coupon. So here we have two options. We can select the coupon and we can create the coupon. I'm just going to create the coupon. And here we have to select the product for which we want to add. Here I'm just going to add for the gift card for Christmas. And if you want to set the limit for the usage, you can also add. And here I'm just going to add the coupon amount as 100, and if you want to set the maximum amount you can also set. And if you want to apply for the specific category or customer, so you just have to select the same. Now I'm just going to create the coupon. So here you can see our coupon is created and I'm just going to print the same. So this is how we can create the gift coupon with the POS screen. So for applying the coupon, you just have to click on this action icon and select this coupon and you can add the coupon barcode over here. Here you can see the coupon discount is applied on the POS order lines. Now I'm just going to make the payment for the same and selecting the payment method and validate the same. So here in the invoice line you can also see the coupon is applied for the product. And now I'm just going to the backend. First, I'm selecting one order. So here you can see our coupon discount and the unit price, everything is reflected in our order. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.